Looking for a dependable used car on a tight budget? You're not alone. While finding a solid vehicle for around $5,000 might seem challenging, it's far from impossible. There are still several reliable, long-lasting, and low-maintenance options out there. You just need to know where to look. We've done the research for you and compiled a list of the best used cars that fit the bill. Let's dive into the list of top used cars you can get for around $5,000 that will keep you on the road for years to come. Number 10. Mitsubishi Galant. The Mitsubishi Galant may not be the most talked about car on the market, but that's exactly why it can be a hidden gem for those seeking reliability on a budget. The 9th generation Galant, launched in North America, came with a unique design that some loved and others overlooked. Despite its discontinuation in 2012, this mid-size sedan remains an excellent choice. Powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, it strikes a solid balance between power and fuel efficiency. Expect around 23 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway, making it a practical daily driver. The Galant features a durable 4-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and requires minimal upkeep. While it might not be the first car on everyone's list, its ability to handle high mileage with proper maintenance makes it a worthy contender for budget-friendly buyers. Number 9. Honda Element. If you love quirky cars with versatile functionality, the Honda Element is worth considering. This compact SUV is a mix of a van, crossover, and pure Honda ingenuity. The 2003 to 2004 models scored high in reliability and owner satisfaction, largely thanks to Honda's legendary K24 engine. This four-cylinder powerhouse is practically indestructible, and its maintenance costs are reasonable due to easily available parts. Inside, the Element features fold-up rear seats and a washable, waterproof floor, perfect for pet owners, adventurers, and DIY enthusiasts. With a budget of $5,000, you can find a well-maintained Element that will serve you for years. Number 8. Pontiac Vibe. The Pontiac Vibe, discontinued in 2010, is actually a Toyota Matrix in disguise. Thanks to a partnership between GM and Toyota, the Vibe boasts Toyota's renowned reliability while flying under the radar as a Pontiac. It features a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine producing 126 horsepower, delivering a good balance of performance and fuel economy. With an average of 28 mpg, it remains fuel-efficient and budget-friendly. One major advantage: the Vibe's parts are interchangeable with the Toyota Corolla, making repairs easy and affordable. Since Pontiac as a brand no longer exists, these cars tend to be more affordable than their Toyota counterparts while offering the same dependability. Number 7. 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid. While Ford's reliability record has been inconsistent, the 2010 Ford Fusion Hybrid stands out as an exception. Many owners hold onto these cars for years, which is a testament to their durability. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, this hybrid delivers impressive fuel economy while maintaining solid performance. It's common to find these cars with well over 200,000 miles and still going strong. If you want a comfortable, fuel-efficient sedan with a smooth ride and low maintenance costs, the Fusion Hybrid is an excellent choice for around $5,000. Number 6. 2010 Mercury Milan Hybrid. The Mercury Milan Hybrid is essentially a rebadged Ford Fusion Hybrid, meaning it shares the same powertrain and reliability. However, because the Milan wasn't as popular, they are often available at lower prices than the Fusion. This hybrid sedan offers the same fuel savings, durability, and comfort as its Ford counterpart, making it an underrated yet smart choice for budget-conscious buyers. If you come across a well-maintained Milan Hybrid, don't overlook it. It could be one of the best deals in the used car market. Number 5. Toyota Matrix. Toyota has built its reputation on reliability, and the Matrix is one of its most underrated models. Launched in 2003, this compact hatchback was designed to blend performance with practicality. With its 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine delivering 180 horsepower in the XRS trim, the Matrix offers impressive performance while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Available with either a 4-speed automatic or 6-speed manual transmission, it provides a smooth driving experience. Its long-lasting nature and ability to handle high mileage make it a fantastic $5,000 choice for those wanting a dependable daily driver. Number 4. 2007 to 2009 Mazda 3. The first-generation Mazda 3 was a game-changer in the compact car segment, thanks to its fun-to-drive nature and reliability. For those seeking an engaging yet practical ride, the 2.0-liter non-turbo engine version is the ideal pick. This engine, part of the MZR family, is known for longevity, easily surpassing 200,000 miles with minimal issues if maintained properly. Owners have reported that regular oil changes and timely replacement of ignition coils can prevent most common issues. The Mazda 3 offers responsive handling due to its sport-tuned suspension and precise steering, making it one of the most enjoyable compact cars to drive. With a fuel economy of 24 to 32 mpg, it balances performance with efficiency, and its safety features, such as available ABS and side curtain airbags, enhance its reputation as a solid budget-friendly choice. Number 3. 2006 to 2007 Honda Accord. Few used cars hold their value and reliability quite like the Honda Accord. The 2006 to 2007 models equipped with the 2.4-liter K-Series engine are particularly durable, with many examples reaching 300,000 miles with regular maintenance. Unlike engines with timing belts, this Accord uses a timing chain, which reduces long-term maintenance costs and worries. The 5-speed automatic transmission, while generally smooth, has been known to experience wear around 150,000 miles if fluid changes are neglected. However, manual transmission versions tend to last even longer with fewer issues. This generation also earned a 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, making it a great choice for families or commuters. With a fuel economy of 21 to 31 miles per gallon, the Accord provides a blend of efficiency, comfort, and longevity that few other sedans can match. Number 2. 2005 Toyota Corolla. It's no surprise that the Toyota Corolla ranks near the top of this list. This compact sedan has been a favorite among budget-conscious drivers for decades due to its unparalleled dependability. With a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, the 2005 Corolla delivers impressive fuel economy, achieving up to 38 miles per gallon on the highway. Known for lasting beyond 250,000 miles with proper maintenance, it's one of the safest bets in the used car market. If you need a practical, fuel-efficient, and worry-free vehicle, the Corolla is a top contender. Number 1. Lexus ES 4th Generation. Topping our list is the 4th generation Lexus ES, a luxury sedan that offers refinement, comfort, and Toyota's legendary reliability. While you might expect luxury cars to be high maintenance, the ES defies expectations by being surprisingly affordable to own. Equipped with a 3.3-liter V6.3 MZFE engine, this car provides a smooth yet powerful drive with 225 horsepower, while maintaining a respectable 19 to 29 miles per gallon fuel efficiency. Many owners report their Lexus ES lasting well over 300,000 miles with routine care, with common repairs involving inexpensive sensor replacements rather than major engine failures. Since it shares many parts with the Toyota Camry, including suspension components and the powertrain, repair costs remain manageable. Additionally, this generation received top marks in reliability from J.D. Power, solidifying its status as one of the best luxury cars for budget-conscious buyers. If you enjoyed this list and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps support our channel and lets us know you want more great content like this. Subscribe to our channel for more expert car advice, budget-friendly recommendations, and insider tips on finding the best deals in the used car market. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads.